The MSC Seashore balcony cabin is about $500 more than the interior. I'm here to tell you whether or not this is worth your money for the upgrade. Let's talk about it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley Neill. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. Today we're going to do a full walkthrough of a balcony on MSC Seashore, and by the end of this video, we're going to decide if this is actually worth the upgrade for you or not. So with this, we're going to talk about the cabin itself, the size, the balcony, the bathroom. So first impressions, the cabin is gorgeous. The natural light that you get from the balcony cabin in comparison to the interior really does it justice, and it's a lot more important than people actually give that light credit for. The cabin itself is about 225 to 280 square feet, depending on the cabin. It's not as small as you think it is. MSC does a really good job with its layout, so it does feel bigger than it is. So first, we'll talk about the bed configuration. It is a queen size bed with the option for a pull-out couch or a bunk bed, depending on if you're sailing with your kids. There's a nightstand on either side of the bed, and also there's lots of storage underneath the bed. Now, the storage in this cabin has one closet, 4 drawers, the space under the bed, so it's not a whole lot of space for 2 adults traveling on a 7-day sailing. So I would suggest learning to pack a little bit smartly. So we're going to talk about more about that in a minute. You've also got the basic MSC amenities. You have your mini fridge, a TV. Nothing that's going to blow you away, but they are still there. The next thing we're going to talk about is the bathroom. Now, a cruise ship bathroom is a cruise ship bathroom. It is small, it is tight, but on MSC, the shower does actually have a shower door, not a curtain, so it does make it feel a little bit bigger. One tip as a travel agent, I do recommend bringing 1 or 2 magnetic hooks. All the walls and ceiling in cabins are metal, so this will help you hang your toiletries up in the bathroom, hang things to dry, and save you some space. Okay, so this is the part you actually came for, the balcony. So the MSC Seashore's balcony is a great size. It's not huge, but it's not small. It's got 2 chairs, a little table, but the view makes up for everything. It is simply gorgeous. Personally, I think there's something amazing about having a balcony cabin, going out there in the morning, having your morning coffee delivered by room service, watching the sunrise. There is something about a balcony that just makes your cruise that much more elevated. Okay, quick tip before I give you my final verdict. If you're booking a balcony, make sure it's unobstructed and make sure you book midship. This is going to give you the best experience. This is what I tell all my clients as a travel agent. And hey, if you're still in the planning stages of your trip, I have videos on my channel about balcony reviews, ship tours, food reviews. I'll link some at the end of the video. But now let's get back to our final verdict. Is the MSC Seashore balcony cabin worth it? My opinion, it's always yes for a balcony. You have the natural light, the extra outdoor space, the privacy. It really changes the whole experience on a cruise. But here's the catch. If you are a cruiser that doesn't spend a whole lot of time in your cabin aside from sleeping, then really an interior cabin might be the way for you to go. You can spend that extra money on specialty dining, Wi-Fi, excursion packages. So that's all I wanted to talk about today, guys. Let me know in the comments, would you book a balcony cabin on the MSC Seashore, or would you book interior, save the money for your next cruise? Let me know in the comments what type of cruiser you are. I'm Ashley Neill. I'll see you in the next one.